Hi guys, in this video you're going to learn how to delete your Instagram account. So you launch the Instagram app, then you're going to find your way to your profile. So you click on the profile button at the bottom right corner, then you click on the menu button at the top right corner. So you're going to click on settings and privacy. Next, you click on account center. Next, you click on personal details. Next, you click on account ownership and control. That's where you'll be able to delete your account. Then you click on deactivation or deletion. Then you select the Instagram account you want to delete. Next, you select delete account. Next, you hit the continue button. All right, then you're going to give Instagram a reason why you want to delete your account. So you could select any of this option, or you go for too busy or too distracting, or you select something else. Then you click on continue. Then you input your password. Then you hit the continue button to successfully delete your Instagram account.